This video is going to cover adding text to the page in its most basic form. We're talking about this right here. It's nothing too extravagant, but it's the staple of everything you're going to do with updating this website. And it all starts with knowing how to do this. So let's go ahead and dive in. Per usual, you're going to log in, and then you're going to end up in the dashboard area. If you've already seen the tutorial about how to add pages, then you'll know that the thing we're going to need to do is update the page. And that starts by going to this left navigation bar and hitting Pages. And then you're going to look for the page that you want to edit. In this example, it's called Example Page. So I'm going to click Example Page. And it's going to bring you to the editor. And I'm sure you have used email or Facebook or something of that nature, then this isn't too unfamiliar to you. It's a simple text editor. So all you have to do is click on this box and then type what you want to say. For example, welcome to our website. And you'll see here that there's two tabs. There's visual and text. It doesn't matter which one you have selected, but what will be different is if you've done anything that would add code, for example, in like bolden, like text, for example. So like your standard Word editor or email, like Yahoo, for example, you just click the B icon and it boldens that text. And if you're in visual, you just see the effects. If you're in text, it will add the HTML code to that word or phrase or whatever that you emboldened. If it makes some people uncomfortable to have to see that stuff, so if you don't feel comfortable with it, just don't be on text, just stay on visual, and you have welcome to our site. There is another way to modify the text, and more importantly, it's a way that you structure pages. It's far more advanced, so if this is new to you, I don't suggest going to it yet, but if you're more adventuresome, it's this button here that says Visual Editor, and you can flip back and forth between the two. But for now, don't worry about this, just worry about being here and adding text. So you've added the text, and if you'll notice, it didn't change anything. You have to always remember to do two things. First, hit update. And if it's the first time you're creating a page, you hit publish. It's the same button. And then you go to the page. And if it's already open, you have to make sure to hit refresh. And then when you do so, you can see there's the text you added. It even has the bold. And if you don't remember or know how to open it in a separate page, when you update a page, it'll have an alert here. It'll say page updated. You can view the page. And you click on that. I always prefer to have it open up in a new tab, and I can flip back and forth between the two. Or you can also hit here next to this thing called permalink. You click on that, it will also bring up that page. And we're going to cover all the other things you can do in this text editor. Things like align the text, left, center, or right. We already covered bolding the text, but there'll be another video for that. Making things italicized, underlined, adding links, and so on. And that can all be done here in the text editor. But for now, this is all we wanted to do. And again, we'll just to cover it one more time. We'll see when I add some text. Maybe we'll say something else like, we hope you like it. And we hit update. Then we'll go back to the page, hit refresh. And there it is. There's our text.